Alright, let's put these door panels on. I'm gonna power the car. I'm gonna roll down the windows because it's pretty hot in there. So there we go. Alright. Alright, so here's the new one. Easy fix. We'll just take out these screws, one here, pop the clips, which are right here, and then we'll just slide this on and be done. Really easy. So I'll go ahead and start. I don't even need that. Once we pop this off, we're going to have to disconnect the clip to the power door or the window switch. This is on there. That off. So we have the screws. So pop the clips. Always start from the bottom. It's just what I like to do. And then just pull up. Going to be a clip. Just sort of a clip. Nothing big. On the inside, unclip it. Just going to do this clip here. Pop like that. It's out. These are look dirty. Pop that in. So good to go. Here we just drop it on top. Line with the door. Tap in the spots like so. one side done. Right, to the next side. The last owner, as you can see, it's all cut, scratched. This is all chipped off and damaged. Placing the new one. Very easy. It's just these small pinch clips. We'll have to pinch those. Other than that, should be simple. And then a clip that goes right in between here that will connect and pull the lever. So same process. Take these off. So it was a work car, so that's why all this is cut and damaged from hauling all the heavy accessory stuff they had. On the bottom. Clip. Now for the fun part. Alright, so for this part here, this clip is pretty much the only thing holding it. This right here and here. What I did last time was put my finger in here and just push it out. Same with the other one. And then this cable right here, you'll see I'm gonna pull these first before I mess with that cable. So let me go ahead and do that. Set you guys back up. There we go. And then it pops right off. It's very simple. So it's, these ones are kind of like hooked in there like that. This is pretty much the only thing that was holding, which was already broken. So, all right. As you can see, this is that line that's in there. Get you a little closer in there. So that's that. We'll have to pull that out. And then I'll just put the other one in. There it is. So, goes like that. So you can see that this clip was already broken. So that sucks. Good thing I changed it. Oh, this one looks like it has a little crack going on too. Alright, so get this off. Just slide this out like that. And then that pin comes right off just like that. And then we're going to do the same thing to putting it back. So pin goes in there like so. Slide that back in, and door handle works. And then all we do is slide this like so, and push that in. So, that clip's probably going to be messed up, not holding it. But once we put the screw in, it ain't going nowhere, so we'll be okay. So grab the new door panel, which is right here. Let me scoot you guys back. Same thing, power plug, slide it in, just simple clip. This is nothing hard. Just tap right here, lock it in. Plug and play. Drop it to the top. Make sure you get it lined up. Like so. lines up. And I'm gonna just screw everything back on. Test it out, lock the door, or not lock it, but and good to go. So, whole new door panel and door handle. Easy peasy. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use these. I might. They do look good, but for the final part, I think he just needs one. So I'm going to slap this in, and then he'll have all the tabs to hold his floor mats. So yeah, he has those. He just needs one more. I'll have an extra one I'll put in my car. And there. So back to OEM. Oh yeah. Engine still looks clean. I should throw that other valve cover on while I'm here. Yeah, I'm gonna go do it. I gotta clean it. I don't want to put it on yet, so I'll clean it and then I'll do it some other day. But yeah, I'm gonna gotta figure out how to install an OEM one when you don't have the original holes. So I gotta look on how to do that for the spoiler. I'm pretty sure I can find a video. I'm just gonna clean my one stock floor mat and then throw that in the car, and then other than that, I'm done for the day. I took tomorrow off because I'm gonna hang out with my dad, and I'll break that down to you guys. All right, so serious talk. My dad went to his meeting with the doctor today. I thought everything was fine. Picked him up from the hospital, as you can see in the last video. They said he was fine. He was doing better. Everything was good. And then when he had his appointment with his primary doctor told us that his organs are failing. My dad did have one of his kidneys taken out, so he's on one. The tumor in his bladder, which is the cancer, it's growing, so it's still causing problems. He's a risk at having surgery because he may not wake up. Most likely he won't because of his age and his pacemaker in his heart. So it is come down to my dad will now be on hospice. He'll be at home. And reality, and I hate to say it, but we just gotta watch him either have a heart attack or stroke, which the doctor said is going to happen, and it will happen any time now. It could happen right now. I'm just kind of took the day off tomorrow just because I'm mentally not okay right now to be driving an 80,000 pound trailer or truck and trailer. I need to kind of go over there, talk to him, because the sad part is he doesn't understand that we're just waiting for him to pass away now. And I have to break it down to him because I don't think my sister did. So I just got to be blunt with him and let him know, like, this is what's going to happen. And, you know, it sucks. But I just want you guys to know that this is what's going on. So if there's a time where I may not be posting or kind of ghost Instagram, Facebook, or not make a video on YouTube for a minute, it's just I need my time alone to cope with my other parent passing, because my mom, she already passed. Now it's my dad, and all I have now will be my stepmom. And You know, it's rough because, you know, everybody wants their parents to live forever. You know, it's the truth. So, quick video, guys. I gotta do the oil catch can. I still gotta, like, I gotta work on these little small things in the car because it helps me. So I'll probably kick it at my dad's, and then when he's taking a nap, I'll make a video over there because I do need to do something with the 240, the drift car. And I gotta install my chrome little door handles, or not handles, but the lock on this car. So I'll do that tomorrow. But yeah, thanks for rocking me, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Like I said, this is how I vent making videos. I love it because even though I know if a lot of people don't watch it, at least I can kind of express myself and don't care what people say. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.